Alright, we made it to Breckenridge. Let me pay for the parking.
Kansas.
We're not in Kansas anymore. Whoa.
Say that a lot.
That's a cool yeah, it's like a weird shape. Those pants look so flowy and nice. They feel good. They're like the perfect cover, but it's not too warm because the sun's shining. That's what I figured.
That's why I picked the white ones. And I was gonna do a white shirt, but I'm like, no, because I have black flip flops.
Man,
It's so crazy.
I'm gonna check this little river out. River. It's nice water though, like Pagosa Springs and Telluride. Denver's water looked nice too, running through that. We're at that one park. Look at that.
Yeah. You said it was gross. You're like, I would never say that.
No, I said it probably is gross. I didn't say it looked gross. It looked nice.
Oh, it's so weird to not see it
Covered in snow.
But I remember it. I
Yeah.
remember walking on the snow.
Yeah.
This is for everyone,
Okay.
walking by, talking about Bitcoin. And you were like, Colorado's so cool. You know? You're just walking by talking about crypto.
Yeah. Honestly.
Yeah.
And that was years ago. Now everyone in now look at that. Those are pretty.
Those are gorgeous.
It's funny because like crypto is what liberals were talking about then, and now liberals say crypto's scam. It's actually kind of funny.
Do you know where it is?
Yeah, right here. We're not far at all. Man, they have beautiful flowers lining their street. And aspens, yeah. Such a pretty little cute town.
I love that we were going in kind of like those touristy like little stores and stuff. Whenever we were here, like looking at shirts.
Yeah. No,
It's closed.
they close at 3.
What?
Why didn't I notice this?
I'm hungry though. I'm eating.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're not going, guys. They're closed.
4?
It's 4:06. Dang. And the parking's free after 3.
That sucks. Look at this.
I know. We didn't get to see this. Look, we didn't get to see this in the winter.
No, we didn't. Was it blocked off?
No, I'm saying like there was no flowers and foliage and stuff because it was winter, you know? Man, I'm really upset. I was so excited. If someone's in there. Oh, look, one of these cool birds. The magpies or something. What are they called?
What are they?
This cool bird.
Oh yeah. This one's really good.
Beautiful baby. Dang, someone lives here? That's in a garage.
You think it was spring?
I'm hungry.
And it's almost winter here.
How far is the Whole Foods?
Dude, we have to go back to Frisco.
I thought it was in. I didn't know it was
Frisco.
in Frisco. Well, damn. Well, let's look up other vegan things here, huh?
Okay. Or we can eat something that we have.
You go to mi casa Mexican restaurant in Cantina.
I do love Mexican.
Never mind. It's $20 to $30 per plate.
Yeah, I hate that towns like this make their food so expensive.
Yeah.
Like more expensive.
Yeah. It's like, haha, you're in the mountains. Where are you gonna go?
It's pretty wild to pay $13 for that panini.
Yeah.
And not get fries or something. You know?
Yeah. What the fuck?
With no fries.
Well, guys, we didn't get the panini because it was closed. Those are free buses. We can go ride it.
Really?
Yeah. Just come back.
Want to?
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, we're gonna go ride the free bus for fun.
We don't even know where we are.
We're gonna get off.
We're gonna get back.
Just keep riding until we come back.
That's a plan.
But I am hungry.
Yeah. We should eat first.
Yeah.
What should we eat?
Some chips and salsa. Yeah? No? Oh, you're trying to save that for when we eat the food, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, that's not it.
We got some nuts.
Your chips?
Okay. It's the last thing I ate. Well, guys, I wasn't recording. It was, we thought it was recording, but it wasn't. And I put this in the salsa already. But this is the Penzies salsa and pico sauce. We got this from the Penzies in Colorado. I don't even know if they're in other states. But yeah, they are. They're in Arizona. Yeah, this is the Penzies salsa review. Yeah, that made it bold. Wow. This thing will take your salsa and up it up a notch, for sure. We're going to add it to our chorizo tonight when we make chorizo breakfast tacos. And I'll also tell you how I like it then. I think it's banging. I think this is honestly adds more of a punch than their sandwich sprinkle. Banging. Banging. Those are the only two things I've tried from Penzies so far. As I try more things, I'll rate their stuff on which one's the best. But so far, I like this the best. Mia?
I like it.
Let me give you a new bite. How do you feel? Good
It's
stuff.
a lot better.
Yeah, I rate this, guys. It's good salsa dressing.
Well, now, look, little girl, I've seen you and Kamryn both get off on some incredibly talented instrumentals when there's no lyrics involved.
Yeah.
I mean, you appreciate the music.
Yeah.
That's why I love y'all. You got turned on was through the music thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, dude.
for sure.
Fucking, you talked about the Andre 3000 album the first time I met you. I was like, what the fuck? This guy across the street knows about the Andre 3000 album just came across? That shit was wild.
And it turns out y'all were big fans of Black Bean Chimichangas.
And I can't wait to try your Thai curry, Penang curry.
Oh, dude, I'm coming up with your recipe.
Hell yeah.
I think I got it. I really do.
I'm serious. Literally after we got off the phone with you night before last, whatever day that was, Mia was talking about how like it's just cool how we could just talk with you on the phone or whatever. You know, like her grandpa is cool and chill or whatever, but he's more the type of person that, you know, you kind of vibe with or whatever, and you're like the cool fucking, like, I don't know. I know I'm not trying to refer to you as a grandpa. I know that's kind of a weird thing, but cool. Okay, so you don't feel offended by it. Yeah, but you're like our cool fucking grandpa, man.
It's the best thing. Look, I was a shitty fucking dad. I was shitty friends. I've been shitty pretty much everything. But as God is since my first grandchild, my granddaughter, I have tried to be the best papa I could be. And it's made me such a better person. I'm gonna tell you, that 3.5 years I spent with Bo, you know, made me such a better human being. We do our prayers. You know, I thank him for that time with him for making me a better person.
Aww, that's so sweet. I bet he feels that whenever you do that too.
No, he's been completely bored.
Well, he will. I think it's one of those like subconscious core memories that will be with him. You know what I'm saying?
Certainly open, so what's going on with you guys? What are y'all doing here? Wherever you are, where y'all going? You hanging out for a while? What's the plan, man?
Probably leaving out of here tomorrow. We're kind of speed running through a couple. We're kind of speed running through a couple things, just because you know, it's getting close to fall time and snow will start falling over here and whatnot. So, yeah.
You don't want to get caught.
Yeah. And so we're kind of speed running. We're speed running through a little bit of things.
Show y'all were hitting, right?
Yeah. We're trying to hit that festival in November. So we got to make it there in time and see everything that we want to see along the way. So that's what we're doing today. We saw 3 cool ass like one was a reservoir, one was a lake, and another one was like a small lake with 2 ponds by it. It was badass.
Dude, I tell you, and I'm so proud of y'all, man.
Thanks, Greg.
When I was young, I would have not had the balls to do what y'all were doing. I really would have. I played it straight. But man, y'all are living a much larger life. I mean, I caught up with mine later, but I was old, man. What is much fun?
Yeah, that's kind of the goal. I mean, I'd still wish there's a catch-22 to it. You know, whenever you're on the road, you can't stop and learn things like playing music or, you know, like getting really good at art or drawing how you want to. You know. So yeah, there's that catch-22. There's other people our age that are starting right now and doing that stuff while they're young like us. And you know, that's, you know, so it's always a catch-22 when it comes to thinking about it, you know.
Well, the thing is, seize the moment. I'm trying to think of the Latin term, but I mean, and y'all done it. I'm proud of y'all.
I appreciate it. Yeah, thank you.
No, you didn't even cook. What are you
That's
doing?
what I was gonna say, guys. I'm hopping in med meal. Mia's cooked this all, but it looks like I have now. What am I doing again? Oh, tortilla. I started. I'm just kidding. Mia's really cooking. She's cutting up the veggies over here. She cooked all of this. We're having tofu scramble with vegan chorizo. Look at this, guys. Oh, Mia killed it. It looks so yummy. Mmm. Can I have a little taste, Mia? Mmm. Bellissimo. There's one.
Is it good?
It's pretty good.
I haven't tasted it.
It's okay.
It's okay. The chorizo isn't good.
It's actually good. I think, did you put the salsa seasoning in here? Mm-hmm. What is this last tortilla?
The one that's up there I was not using. I was putting it to the side.
Oh shit, this motherfucker's gonna burn.
No work to do.
Yeah. Okay, so we only have 10 tacos then. Because that motherfucker sucks. We've been chilling in this parking lot in Breckenridge all day. Pretty boring. I'm making this yummy, yummy meal. So we're each gonna have 3 tacos tonight?
Yeah, we can, or 2, or whatever.
We're also gonna have guac and salsa.
I'm okay having 2 then.
Yeah, let's do 2.
Yeah.
And then we'll have dinner tomorrow.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
No.
Are you kidding me?
No.
You
Serious.
fucking joking?
I'm serious.
Wait, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. Y'all got work to do. We're gonna have 2 tacos each. What?
We need to put this in something.
I don't know what this
That's
goes
gonna
in.
go bad.
Yeah, it needs to be cooked. Quick. What do we do?
I don't think it has to be cooked quick. I think we just need to wrap it.
Okay.
I'm probably not gonna eat this like 2 times in a row.
I'll eat it right now, back to back. Fucking good shit.
Okay. Turn my video down one.
That's okay. Oh, I'm just gonna serve the tacos up and then we'll be done. Alright. Let me go ahead and serve Mia up 2 tacos.
Depression. Last thing that I'm gonna say is don't do that. Alright, everybody.
Boom. Look at that, guys. Should we serve this at fucking Camp Flognaw? No, that's too diversive. Yeah, guys, so we're going to Camp Flognaw in November. Our first time ever going to a music festival. So we're excited. But we have come up with this idea on how to like help recoup some of the money for the parking and the tickets. And we're gonna like cook in the parking lot of Camp Flognaw. So that when people leave, after they've seen all the expensive food all day long, they'll look at us and be like, oh shit, 3 or 2 tacos, we haven't decided, for $5? I'm gonna buy that. And then we'll sell it. I know it's technically illegal because we won't have a permit, but, you know, sometimes you gotta do illegal shit. It'd be like that, you know? But yeah, we are gonna have some yummy, yummy, yummy breakfast tacos tonight, courtesy of Mia. And we're probably just gonna hang out, call her mom or something tonight. Just have a chill night. Hanging around Breckenridge in the parking lot. These are my yummy, yummy tacos. Hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna make them. Let me show off your tacos. They already look delicious. Look at these. We're about to eat this. Yummy.
Probably making it look gross.
Yummy.
With the light.
No, it looks delicious, I bet. Alright, yummy friends. This looks horrible because I just threw a half of a fucking tortilla on this mug, but. And then we're having some yummy, 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 yummy guacamole, moly that Mia also made.
Ew, it looks nasty like this.
Some yummy, 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 yummy guacamole.
We immediately go for this before the tacos.
My friends. Thank you, Mia.